Good morning, goeiemorgen, dumelang, sanbonani, dimacheroni, avusheni. This is Rebecca Mdluli, Ntombi yakaMalati, yakatezinde, yakaNovunga, yakole aNovungeni. Lapha ke when you say our praises, so say tezinde, zinde, zinde, zihlobo. Yiku maisaze, yiku chocho. Of course, we all know ileka ngweti, ya ntanzi. Of course, yona ngweti, yaku wena phela uzijabulise, and then uthi gcabe ngebuve bakho. Mina Ntombi yakaMchangane nifamba naNtswaki idla mina Ntombi yamSwazi, but la kuhtiva shako as it is a heritage month, ngwina kwala nomyendla yini and culture yangwina muyifambisa kuyini. Ilava kutiva imaSwazi, ilava kutiva imaPedi, ilava kutiva imaChangane. So as I am here now, I wanna listen to all the different kinds of cultures and get to know what they eat, what they do. But let me give it to Ntswaki. So na yena atami show it akwalani makaya.
Sanibonani manene kati. Njengoba eshila i-co-host yami ukuthi ngimi Ntswaki wakaDlamini. Of course, I'm from the royal family. So manene kati. Namuhla i-podcast yethu siyobe siyenda ngalukuhlukile. Last thola khona ama-member wethu we-Lawful Rockers bakhuluma bas-explainela nge-culture yabo ukuthi kendiwa kanjani. And what's interesting is that we're not only gathering bantu bala South Africa, yes. We also have people from the States who are gonna be explaining about their culture.
Yes.
Yeah. So stay tuned. Don't scroll those gadgets. Nami ngithandile ku explain more about the Dlamini family, but as you all know, it's see famous vele, so y'all know the drill. So thank you. Stay tuned. Ngibukeleni ningasikoli lama gadgets lawo ke.
As you all know, Shako, in September, Pelaniri, it's like we're going to be playing around with colors. As you can see, Minani Mchangane, and Washuana Ranzati colors. Now we are going to see different types of cultures with their cultural outfits. We want to see how they look, how they feel. Of course, me, what's special about my culture is that whenever we're gonna have the rain on that day, whether it's a drop or it's gonna be cloudy. So that is us, Vamalati, Matezinde. Now I wanna find out about other cultures. What is so special about their cultures? Tune in, Famba Uyakumamati, Utsamseka Hansi, Kumbulava Kodriki, Utsamseka Hansi, Utatuisisati Makatati, different cultures, Lawful Rockers has got you, baby. You're gonna know everything about our African cultures, of course. The overseas ones. Tune in while we go and get our Lawful Workers members.
I'm really proud to be a Black American or a person of color with mixed ancestry, both from African and European heritage. I know people will more commonly think of countries like Brazil or countries in South America when they think of multiracial groups of people, but the United States actually also has a lot of groups like this, especially in the Southeast.
Manditala kamashere, ndimashere ndimbati ndimthenja ndimona ndinzumwa. Ndimbati yakurema, mtala ilumanguni nimphameli, imelwe. Me papa me, unijenze shaku. Me ndimutsonga. Naye avula Xitsonga, kokwana likazi. Asivulavulanga Xitsonga, ale bush ntsena.
Momudirong go apeiwa bogobe ba ting ya mabele. Ting ya mabele e tsewa ka nama ya tšhotlho. Tšhotlho ke nama ya kgomo e apeilweng e senang e ntshitsweng marapo.
Ukudla lesikudlako akufani. Kukhona abadlela ligusha njengemaswati njengoba sikhuluma ngemaswati nje. Njengemaswati adlela ligusha, umbhide wetintsanga, umfuso, chuchuza, imibhide nje yahlukahlukene kudla kwesintu kwemaswati lokho.
Happy Heritage Day in South Africa. I'm from the US. I'm from Washington, D.C. also from North Carolina, which is in the South. I wish that my country had something like Heritage Day. I want to share a little bit about my heritage and my culture. Like I said, I'm from the US, I'm American, and I'm specifically from the South. In my country, the South is where a lot of enslaved Africans were forced to work for hundreds of years and build what is now the United States. I'm really proud to be a Black American or a person of color with mixed ancestry, both from African and European heritage. I know people will more commonly think of countries like Brazil or countries in South America when they think of multiracial groups of people, but the United States actually also has a lot of groups like this, especially in the Southeast. Ancestors come from North Carolina, South Carolina, and they were called the Melungeon people, and these people were a mixture of Black, white, and Native American ancestry. There are plenty of people just like me who've been mixed race and multiracial for generations and generations and generations. It's a legacy of a really painful history that my country still is grappling with acknowledging. That this is a very important part of our country's history that impact white, Black, and Native American people. Another thing that I love about being Southern is we're known for our Southern hospitality, okay? We're also known for our soul food. Macaroni and cheese, I'm talking sweet potato pie. I make a really good sweet potato pie, actually. Collard greens, especially on Thanksgiving, if you know, you know. Fried chicken, fried okra. Okay, I'm getting hungry. In terms of my language, I speak standard American English. I have been told that I have a Southern accent sometimes. I know I say y'all a lot. Happy Heritage Day to all the groups of people from all over the world who make up this Rainbow Nation. I'm very happy to have lived here for a year. I feel like I barely even scratched the surface when it comes to understanding all the different social dynamics. It has inspired me a lot that the US could do differently. I would like to see differently in my country.
One by one, twin by twin, when you move like me.
Shaweta mashaka inkwe Dani Shaweta me hello inomthandazo makhathini maleshaka makhathini ishavukazi mendithala kamashere ndimashere ndimbati ndimthenja ndimona ndinzumwa ndimbati yakurema mtshana ilumanguni nimphameli imelwe me papa me unidyondzise swaku me ndimutsonga naye avulavula Xitsonga kwakwala likazi a swi vulavulanga Xitsonga hale bush ntsena u vulavule Xitsonga hale likazi na me ndimutsonga nda tibomba hi Xitsonga xa mehe Matsonga nda wa rhandza leswaku Matsonga a tibomba Matsonga a dyondzisa vana va vona leswaku va vulavula ririmi ra vona va tibomba hi lo Matsonga a dyondzisa vana va vona leswaku va ya kerekeni va dyondzisa Xikwembu va rhandza dyondzo Matsonga a karateki hi swilo va rhandza swilo swa kahle va rhandza a healthy lifestyle ka hala ka Lowveld Walkers va yi dyondza leswaku we're supposed to live a healthy lifestyle na tiva leswaku Xitsonga i Xinghezi loko va ku teka va ku take u nga hlamali leswaku ndi vulavula Xitsonga ndi vulavula Xinghezi Xitsonga i Xinghezi vanhu va Matsonga va dya kahle va dya murogo a va dyi di-takeaways va sweka a va chavi ku sweka potweni na me ndasweka ndi rhandza ku dya swakudya na swi rhandza ngopfu wa swi vona mo swimilana swa me ngoba ndi rhandza ku sweka ndi rhandza ku dya ka Lowveld Workers dya va hi nyika di-cold drink tanani maxaka hinkwenu tanani ni ya ka Lowveld Workers va hi nyika maapula ma-orange a tiphina ya dya ka Lowveld Workers dya tiphina every Tuesday va hi rhumelela menu ya vhiki hinkwayo leswaku hi dya ini va hi karhatela va ka Lowveld Workers. Na hi rhandza Lowveld Workers. I'm a member of the Lowveld Workers. Tanani maxaka hinkwayo ni ta ka Lowveld Workers hi ta jima hi jima ka Lowveld Workers. Ya hi jima hi va fit and strong. Va vona ngi mukhegule mara because of Lowveld Workers o jima every Saturday ya hlangana hi jima hi famba you know miri wa hina u fanele u tiya miri wa hina so nda yi rhandza Lowveld Workers va maxavu a khensa vanhu a khensa swinene nkulukumba a khensa maxava a ku khensa a ku rhandza ngopfu ya meheke nda yi rhandza ke Lowveld Workers ndi nge yi somewhere else no I'm content in this team. So I'm happy to be in Lowveld Workers. I invite you all to come and join Lowveld Workers. Yime mtsonga, mtsonga. Nekumakanga jalamina, angazanga shivona leswi. Makanga jalamina, angazanga shivona leswi. Hambi Joni wa kutiva mali, angazanga shivona leswi. Tanani maxaka hinkwayo ya ka Lowveld Workers. Nda khensa na mi rhandza ngopfu hinkwerhu. Amen.
Age Batswana age bakhatla age le dumedisa ke moredi wa Sebonye ka lebitso ke Tebogo Sebonye re tswa re le Botswana ke rona bokgabo mokhatla ga ina mele e je boreku ka setso sa Batswana mo modirong go apeiwa bogobe ba ting ya mabele e tsewa ka nama ya tšhotlho ke nama ya kgomo e apeilweng e senang intshitsweng marapo ka moaparo banna ba apara ditshega basadi ba apara makgabe ke a leboga Yomfana mageleni shalanaye leli haula ikona tokia ngalo emambala adosaranga Yomfana mageleni shalanaye leli haula ikona tokia ngalo
Sanibona babukeli nebahlali baseningizimu Afrika ngalolu suku loluhlelo lungaka lapho sibungata khona emagugu ethu lifa lesalishiyelwa bokhokho ukuthi sichubeke nalo sifundise nebantwana bethu ikakhulukathi isiko lenhlonipho lapho kufanele sihloniphane sihloniphe imihambo yaletinye tive singahleki kokuthi emaswati agcoka timvo letingakapheleli mhlawumbe emaswati emantfombatane ahambisa emabele ekhathi lisiko lelo lelabanenhloso leyasuka kubogogo nabokhokho kadzeni lifa lokuthi intfombatane itigcina njani nayigcoka londlela leyo ngakho ke namhla wonke umuntu eningizimu Afrika ugcoke ngendlela yemasiko akubo neMandebele agcoke ngendlela yabo nemakhoyisana ngendlela yabo eMaswati, eMavenda, eMandebele njalo njalo, njengoba sinetilimi letilishumi nakubili eNingizimu Afrika. Wonke umuntu ugcongeni, ngeke sihleke ukuthi emakhoyisane wona agcokani njani njani, batigcobisa ini, kepha lamhla lusuku ukuthi wonke umuntu akhululeke. Bese sibuya ekudleni, nekudla lesikudlako akufani. Kukhona badlela ligusha njengeMaswati, njengoba sikhuluma ngeMaswati nje. NjengeMaswati adlela ligusha, umbhido wetintsanga, umfuso, chuchuza, imibhido nje yahlukahlukene, kudla kwesintu kweMaswati lokho. Sibuye futhi namhla kuphekwe tinhloko emakhaya lamanyenti, emathumbu, liphalishi lelisiliwe njalo njalo emakhaya kuyosiwa, kuhle kudzeliwe, bese ngalolu suku lolu ke yonke imindeni itanza wonye ngendlela lebakhuliswe ngayo, bagidze, kube khona tinkondlo, kube khona injabulo nje kulelo khaya, kube khona luthando. Konke lokhu kusukela kuphi? Kwasikelwa kubokhokho, kuyindzabuko yebantfu bonke labakhona eNingizimu Afrika nasemhlabeni wonke jikelele. Phela lolu suku alugujwa ngithi kuphela, nalabanye bayaligubha lolu suku ngoba ngulapho sithi gcabha khona ngebuve bethu ukuthi sineMaswati, sinemaZulu, yini sendalokwa nalokwa. Akusulo lusuku nje lokuthi siyatijabulisa, sigcine mhlambe sesinathatshana kakhulu, sijayive imijayivo lengasikahle, sijayiva senda imigubho, senda imijayivo leyo sintu kugidza ngobe ngiyo imvelaphi yethu leyo. Namhla kuhlelwe phasi kuyaxoxwa tinganekwane emakhaya lamanyenti, especially lawa eSiswati kakhulukazi, ngobe siyati vele ukuthi ngaphandle kwagogo ukuthi abe khona enganekwane yakhe kude lokho bamnanzi, batukulu bafuna lokho. Ngalesikhathi basaxoxelwa kuyadliwa lapha emancobo, kuyadliwa tinkobe, kuyadliwa ligusha njalo njalo, kuze kuphele losuku lanamuhla lapho wonke umuntu nakabila ekhaya kumbe asekhaya lakhe kuba khona imvuselelo yeluthando, nekuthi phela lona ngumlumbi, lona ngumuntu, kepha kufuna sihlalisane sonke. Lusuku lekuthi sifuzisane, kuhlalisana, singahlekani, ngobe kuyenteka ngesikhathi sanyalo uthole ukuthi kamakhelwane bona bahlaba inkukhu ngobe kubantfu ngalana belumbi, bona bakubona kukubi ukuthi uhlabe silwane, bathi uyasihlukubeta. Ngakho ke sekufuna bavisise bomakhelwane labe belungu ukuthi lisiko kwentiwa lisiko lelitsite. Ngakho ke lolu suku lanamhla asilibungateni ngenhlonipho nangesizotha, kungabikho kulwisana kumbe kuhlekwane, ngobe kusuke kulusuku lokubuthana lekwatana. Ngaleyo ndlela leyo uyaphuma gogo wema-Lowveld Walkers. Ngithe nje fahla kancane ngoba phela siyati ukuthi isikhathi sekusakade kwale nkulumo sincane kakhulu. Siyabonga. Amen.
Hi guys, seyijonzile ke iti cultures to hambana ta vanhu va le Afrika-Dzonga. You can send ngopfu leswaku mi swi kotile leswaku mi endlela a ti-short videos ta n'wina mi yi dyondzisa of course hi ti-cultures ta n'wina. Ya hi pfala ke podcast ya hina sweswiwani, but hi ta mi vona this coming Saturday hi ta va yi ri le Tegwane, is it Tegwane South, right? Tegwane South. Of course, we'll be continuing celebrating yona a Heritage Day ya hina. Loko uta ka hoki ya hina, unga chavi, mbala your traditional attire and be proud. But remember, Lowveld Workers, you know, babi mashava umunyikete the outfits letu kulaweka kumuti mbala. So do that, and if you don't have it, you can wear whatever you have in the house. Of course, siwatanza onge ma culture, and siyafuna futhi kufunza ngawo onge. So toga lo nago ute nago.
And don't forget to bring those dishes.
Yes.
And wanna eat dish nje ngifuna ukuyibona mina ngeAfrikaans.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, babukeli makhaya, njengoba nathi ukuthi inyanga yeSeptember iyaphela. The first week of October leyo weekend leyo sine Lowveld Walkers siyobe host a big walk lese Valencia stadium Valencia, right? Yes, ngicela ukuthi nibe khona, icala ngo5 and get go on my social media pages Lawful Workers, where you get the link and register yourself. It's gonna be fun. You can bring your kids, Nema jumping castle and all those fun things. Yes, and it's for free. You just register for free. Thank you.
On the
Bye.
4th of October.
Ngiyaxolisa ngakhuluma Siswati. Mara ngeSiswati.
Asibonge kakhulu-ke guys, bekumnandi kule podcast yethu. Mina naNswati Dlamini sithi #don't-promise, commit. #more than just a walking team. This is Lawful Workers podcast, and of course this is your host Rebecca Mdlele, together with co-host Tswaki Dlamini, signing out. But of course we will be seeing you guys this coming Saturday at Tegwane South. It is a Heritage Day celebration walk. So when we are ugcoke timpahla takho traditional attire ube muhle ugcoka namahambe ngiphile tijabulisa wena. Now remember Lawful Workers sinikiwe ukuthi ngelokishi sigcoka bophi bove, so indani njalo. Now as we are wrapping September 4th of October, the Culture, Sport and Recreation are bringing us the big walk. Kugcwalisa lifomu laphana liyatholakala kuwo onke ama-social media platforms where Lawful Workers. So do go to all the social media platform pages of Lawful Workers and find that registration form is free of charge. See you there.